Thinking about getting MetForm Pro? Here's a quick guide to walk you through the entire process. Start by heading over to the pricing page. You'll find a few different options there, from a personal plan to a full agency plan. Pick the plan that fits your needs and hit Purchase Now. This will take you to the checkout page. Fill in your country and zip code, then select a payment method. We'll choose credit card here. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Next, provide your email address, phone number, and full name. Finally, agree to the privacy policy and click Purchase. After that, you'll see a screen with your order details. It might say pending until the payment clears, but in the meantime, you'll receive an email from WP Met with your account info and a password reset link. Log in to your dashboard. From here, you can manage your account and download your purchased products. To download the plugin, click on the Downloads tab in the sidebar. You'll see your purchased product listed. Click on the file name to download the .zip file to your computer. Now, go to your WordPress site dashboard. In the sidebar, hover over Plugins and click Add New. Click Upload Plugin. Choose the .zip file you just downloaded and click Install Now. Once it's installed, click Activate Plugin. The last step is to activate your license key. Go back to your WP Met account dashboard and navigate to Product Licenses. Add your website's URL to generate a license key. Copy the license key, go back to your WordPress dashboard, and find the MetForm tab in the sidebar. Under MetForm, click on License. Paste your key into the field and click Activate. That's it. You're all set up and ready to start building amazing forms with MetForm Pro. You can also upgrade your existing subscription at any time. Just head over to your WP Met account dashboard. From there, open the Product License tab, where you'll see a View Upgrade option for your licenses. Select Upgrade License for the plan you want to change and complete the payment. Once that's done, your license will be updated automatically. Finally, return to your WordPress dashboard and go to the MetForm license page. Click the Reactivate License button. That's it. You're all set up and ready to start building amazing forms with MetForm Pro.